Hi guys, we were setting this. The AI was pivot area was 1.34007. Mine was 1.33085. So the AI was correct. Once it broke below the pivot, it went on to hit its target, and that was 1.32250. And currently the price is exactly at its target. So kudos to the AI for getting this one correct. So basically, its analysis was this. So, anyways, let's see what happens next. First, let me take pictures so that I can upload them to the AI so it can keep doing its job because it takes time and while we do our own analysis. Let's get rid of all of these drawings. Those files. I changed it to 1 day plus 4H. Now it will only be feeding the daily and the 4 hour candles into the AI so we can get an accurate response. So guys, according to my analysis, guys, I've already picked a level on the 4H. Guys, on the 4H, as long as the price stays below 1.32920, guys, we are bearish. And guys, my first target will be 1.31829, and guys, my next target would be 1.30867. And guys, if the price breaks below this, we will be going in for a correction. Okay, guys. Sorry. And guys, my correction targets would be 1.33876. And guys, the next target would be 1.34432. Anyways, guys, even but as long as we are below 1.34432, guys, we will remain bearish. But it would be a beginning of the break above 1.32920, guys, would be beginning of a correction. So let's get back to the AI. Calculated. This is bearish impulse. The zone is 1.3247, 1.3342. This analysis is a weekly artwork prepared on Sunday, designed to capitalize on the strong bearish momentum from the previous week's close and anticipate a continuation during the upcoming high volume sessions. The daily time frame provides the macro bearish directional bias, while the 4H is used to define precise tactical pivot and validation levels. Time frames are in complete bearish alignment. Okay. Macro data, a severe risk of tone has gripped global markets, triggered by a sharp equity decline and rising geopolitical tensions. This has initiated a classic flight to safety, channeling capital into US dollar and weighing heavily on the British pound. However, dollar's own weak domestic fundamentals create a potential conflict. The primary fundamental vector for pound USD is strong bearish. So, guys, I'm going to copy this and just paste it over here. And see its invalidation is it's selling 1.3342 is its invalidation area. Okay, guys, this is the pivot and 1.3342. Okay, 3342. Basically, it's located somewhere else. Let's go down to the 4H to find the exact level. 1.3342. Basically, it's using this candle high. I can understand that. Oh, I can understand that level. So we get back to the daily chart. So, okay, the first target it has is 1.3200, almost same as mine's. Because one mine is 1.31829, so difference of few pips. And sorry, uh, the second target is 1.320. So the second target and the first target are almost the same. So no point in looking there. It has only one target. So I think it has been wrong there, but let's see what happens. Counter bias target is 1.3480. Okay, it's the same as mine. It's using this swing high basically. If we break above this area, uh, 3342, 334, above this candle, guys. Yeah, above this area, if we break above this, it's targeting this swing high. I can agree with that. So wishing you guys the best of luck and see you guys next week.